I'm back in the studio again. Well, it's not quite a studio yet, but it's getting there. Greetings, everyone, and welcome to the MamMaw Boutique. My name is Chantel, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how I'm creating a workspace to cultivate my creativity for my clothing line and for my mental well-being. I've never taken on a DIY project this big before. I'm inexperienced and I have a small budget. And the fear of the unknown is messing with my head big time. So I have no idea how this is going to turn out. On this channel, you'll find mindful fashion videos on style, how-to videos, and a day in a life vlogs. If you're interested in these types of videos, click the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. So to give you a little background story, I've worked in the fashion industry for 25 years as a senior garment technologist with major high street brands in the UK and America. And for the last 10 of those years, I've been running my own online clothing line at MamMaw.com. This is my current workspace, empty. And it's actually a walk-in cupboard in my home. Years ago, I had it converted into my office. I hired a carpenter to make a fold-away desk that I used to sew my designs on. And I had 2 rails put up to hang my designs. And I had a couple of shelves put up as well to store fabrics and documents. It's neat, it's compact, and it works well inside my home. And I really, really love it. But recently it's been a bit challenging to cultivate any creativity in here. This is what it looks like now. And as you can see, it is jam-packed. You see, the thing is, as the clothing line grew, the space became too small, and I knew I needed a bigger workspace, but for years I kept putting it off. I just allowed procrastination to hold me back. My excuse in my mind was I was too busy doing pop-up shops and running the clothing line. And I was busy, I was genuinely busy, but I shouldn't have let that stop me from finding a new space that I can creatively thrive in, because I know how crucial it is to my mental well-being. What is it about staying in a situation that no longer serves you? Why do we do that as human beings? I guess if I'm to really think about it, it's because of fear of change. But even if the change is good for you and it will serve you, that's weird. Comment below if you can relate to this. So it's time for me to create a functional and stylish space that cultivates my creativity. So my new space is bigger than my last space, but it's still a small space. So I need to be really wise on the choices that I make for the layout of the room. And also I need to be wise on the items that I bring into the room as well, because the last thing I want is for it to be a messy room that gets messy easily and the layout is all wrong, and that just stifles creativity. So it's really important that I choose wisely on the layout and the items that I bring. As you can see, this place needs a lot of work. There are holes everywhere, cracks in the ceiling. Yeah, there's a lot to do here. So I need to get started straight away. So my first stop is at B&Q, and I've done some research, and apparently cork is a natural insulator. So it has good thermal properties, good acoustic properties, and it's fire retardant. So I'm really hoping that this will fix my issue of a cold room. So next stop, IKEA, and I came here because it's so affordable here, and there is such a good range of stylish, affordable furniture. And here I am looking at this wardrobe, and I like this wardrobe because of the mirrors, because the room is small, so that would make the room bigger. And I like it as well because it's minimal. It has like a minimal aesthetic. This one was a bit pricier for my range, but I did like it and I was willing to go that extra mile. And I like it as well because it's white. It came in white matte and white shiny. And that's the matte one there. That's the shiny. But then I found this one. This is the Hasvik, and it is shiny and it's a lot cheaper. So I thought, possibly, but I wasn't feeling the whole shiny thing. It was just, I'm not feeling that. It's good for cleaning, but then I saw the matte, and then I thought, this could actually work. This could really work. So I actually went for this one, the Hasvik, and that was very affordable. So a few days later, I decided to go ahead with the IKEA wardrobes, the cheaper one, Hasvik. And it was a good move that I actually went to IKEA to actually see the quality, because sometimes you can order things online and it's not what you expect. So I was glad I went there just to see the quality, and I was happy with the quality. So I bought the Hasvik wardrobe, and when I got home I just went online, and on IKEA.com they actually have a really good design service, and you could do it yourself basically. And this is me here selecting on the right hand side all the items that I want to go into the wardrobe. So here you can see there's all the columns and stuff, and this is what I eventually designed, this layout here. And you've got the rails, you've got long hanging rails so you can hang long items, and then I've got the shelving unit there so you can put things there. And then in this middle I'm going to put my sewing desk, and I'm going to put up a shelf, so that will be in the middle. And then on the right hand side you've got this storage long hanging garments, and here could just be anything. And you could actually leave the internal exposed like this, and this will be a lot cheaper and affordable. This will be like £335 if you didn't want any doors. And I think that looks quite nice actually, just exposed like that. But that's as long as you can actually keep it tidy, because otherwise it just looks messy. But if you like that exposed look, that could actually be a really good option as well, really good affordable option. So I'm gonna actually add doors as well, and I want sliding doors. That will actually help with the room being small, so it doesn't the doors don't take up space when you open them. So sliding doors is a must for this, and I want the minimal look as well. So we're attaching the folding table to the wall, and we need to find the joist, so we're going to drill holes. So it's about finding the joist. So we're just drilling through the plasterboard. And once you meet that resistance, then you know that that's the joist. If the drill just goes through really smoothly and easily, then you know you've just gone through the plasterboard only. So you want to meet that resistance with the drill.
It's okay.
Oh my God, this wall is not straight. Wow. I hope you have found this video inspirational and beneficial, and it has given you inspiration to start creating your space. Be sure to tune into part 2 of this makeover series, and until next time, take care of yourself and remember to create your unique style.